Welcome to Tadka. I'm Mercy Rebecca. It's freezing outside and I'm enjoying my morning tea. Almost for every Indian, the morning has to begin with a cup of tea, particularly with Indian masala tea. This Indian masala tea is made with regular tea powder, milk, and sugar, but the main ingredient is the masala. Every home has their own secret recipe of preparing this masala mix. But the right ingredient and the right amount of it gives you that authentic taste. This masala mix is made with spices. We slightly toast them and blend them into fine powder. So today I am going to show you how to make this Indian chai masala powder in the way we prepare at home, in the style of tadka. So come, let's have a look of it.
Tadka by Mercy Rebecca.
To make this Indian chai masala mix, first take a heavy bottom pan. In this, add 1.5 tablespoon of cloves, 1.5 tablespoon of pepper, 2 star anise, in this add quarter cup or 40 grams of cardamom pods and 10 grams of cinnamon or dalchin and 1 whole nutmeg or jaifal. Crush and add it and dry roast them in low to medium flame. Stir it occasionally to avoid burning. When you get that aromatic smell of the spices, transfer it into a plate and allow it to cool down. Now add 7 stems of tulsi seeds. Tulsi or holy basil has full of health benefits. It is full of antioxidants, aids digestion and improves immunity, and good for weight loss too. And it has lot more health benefits. If you have a tulsi plant at home, then simply pluck few fresh leaves and add it to your boiling tea. Even today it is used to reduce cold, cough and fever. Once it turns aromatic, switch off the flame and transfer it to a plate. Now take 40 grams of dry ginger or sont. Dry roast it till it turns aromatic and then transfer it to a plate. Now add half a tablespoon or 10 grams of fennel seeds or saunf. Dry roast it just for few seconds. When it starts spluttering, switch off the flame and transfer it to a plate. Add few strands of saffron. Well, this is optional. If you have, you can add it, else you can skip. Now same way, dry roast 2 bay leaves and take it in the plate. Now crush the dry ginger with the help of mortar and pestle for easy blending. Allow all the spices to cool down and then we are going to blend it. Now transfer all the spices into the blending jar. Well, you can crush and add few spices every time you prepare your chai, but this comes handy and definitely adds a fresh taste to your chai. Now blend the spices to fine powder. If you like, you can keep it coarse. And ta-da! Your homemade chai masala is ready to use. You can store it in an airtight container and you can use it for 6 months. While preparing the tea, add half a teaspoon of ground masala mix and allow it to boil. Make sure you watch the pot to avoid overboiling. Allow it to rise up for 3 to 4 times, but make sure you don't overboil it. You can smell the nice aroma of the spices while boiling the tea. It's really refreshing. That's it. The Indian masala chai is ready to serve. Friends, to watch the full video on how to make the perfect tea, don't forget to check the description box below. I'll provide the link for you. Enjoy this masala chai with your favorite biscuits or snacks. So friends, it's really worth giving a try. Try it at your home and serve it to your family and friends. It's really delightful and refreshing. Please do give it a try and do let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. I'm happy to reply you. And if you really like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. I'll meet you again with one more beautiful recipe. Till then, have a good day.